Welcome to BeGenius. Click here to ask from Genie. Or enter manually text after Genie in the provided field. Click on the selected button to search text. Or you can search image on clicking here. Click here to open Formatter. You can choose Format Tools from here. Click on this button to type message by speech. You can chat with your friends, family and colleagues as well by sending simple messages. Click the Send button to send message. You can take advantage of these AIs if you don't have an API key. Click here to open AI. You can use AI with BeGenius. Click here to edit group or chat name. Click here to save your changes. You can search messages from here. Thanks for watching this video.